Craft by the Creative Life. Spring is almost here, and you know that means it's going to be wedding season. Flowers are blooming, baby showers, well, that happens year round. But you're going to see a lot of spring crafts coming online pretty soon. So today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to do a real craft. If you notice my blog or even my channel, I don't do that many crafts. I like to do a lot more cooking and DIYs, but we're going to do a craft because I really like this one. We are going to make organza flowers. I have several very pretty spring colors. This one actually has an iridescent gold to it, and this is organza. And so all you need is organza. You're going to need coordinating felt. I love my colors, and so I'm not really sure how I'm going to mix and match these. We'll see how that's going to work. We're going to use some jewels. Of course, we're going to use bobby pins because we're going to make organza flowers for our hair. This can be used during weddings, every day around your house, which I think I actually may take some to wear these on vacation because we always go to the Caribbean. You know, it's very colorful there. You just need a candle and some glue sticks. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Okay, I am finished cutting up my organza. That's your first step. You just cut it. You don't have to have perfect circles. I never have perfect circles on these, and I think it actually gives it a little bit more of a true flower feel because petals aren't, you know, they're not really all, well, not on all flowers, but they're not really perfect. They look very pretty and, you know, a little mixed up. So these are the colors that I have. I have my pinks, I have my orange, I have my yellow, and I'm going to do the big one, the multicolored. And so the first step is to actually pull out your candle. You can use a tea light. This is what I have on hand because I just bought it because I like the smell of it. So I just wanted to burn it anyway. And so a lot of people, they hold it directly to the flame. I'm not going to hold it directly to the flame because organza is it's very sensitive to heat. So I'm holding this probably about 2 inches above the flame, and as you can see, the edge is already curling to form our petal. And don't hold it too close because it can, you know, singe a little. Okay, I have all of my petals done. I have them rearranged in the order that I'm going to glue them in. And all you need right now is your hot glue gun and your little jewel. You can use rhinestones. I'm using these little fake crystal looking things because I think it'll make it look really pretty. You just add a little dot of hot glue on the back of your jewel, and you press it into the center all the way down so that glue can get to the very middle. Don't glue your table or whatever work surface you're using, just don't glue it. And so I put my finger on the back of it. See, and the glue came all the way through, but we're going to be able to cover that up in just a second. So this is what the flower looks like. I'm probably going to add a couple more, probably a total of 3 in here, just to make it look a little bit better. Guys, there you have it, my DIY organza hairpins. I'm wearing the orange one right now, but this is what the this is what the big one looks like. I don't know when or where I'd wear this, but honestly, knowing me, I probably would. And I made the yellow ones a little smaller, and the pink one, it's probably about a medium size. If you guys like this craft, please go ahead and let me know. Leave a comment below. I will also leave links to where you can get your organza, your pins, your glue guns, anything you need below. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time in the creative life. Peace.